Welcome to Arquesa TV, your exclusive gateway to the vibrant world of the Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo. Join us as we delve into inspiring stories, insightful discussions, and impactful initiatives shaping our community and beyond. Whether you're a member, a supporter, or simply curious about our mission, prepare to be informed and inspired. Get ready to explore, engage, and empower with Arquesa TV, where every episode brings you closer to the heart of service and fellowship. I'm Anina Uy, the Public Image Director of Arquesa.
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on, and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤이 저 가요.
Good evening. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the passion, purpose, and impact that define our Rotary family here in Antipolo. To help us tonight is our Charter President, Michael Dennis Uy, and past President and the Rotary Club Foundation Club Director, Rolly Maramo. Good evening.
Good evening.
Would you like to introduce yourself to our audience? This is our pilot episode.
Yeah. Of course, no. For my Arquesa family, all Rotarians and everyone, we would like to. My name is Charter President Michael Dennis Uy of the Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo.
Good evening, everyone. I'm PP Rolly Maramo, currently the TRF Director of Arquesa.
Would you know, Charter President Dennis and past President Rolly, that I believe this is the first podcast for Rotary District 3800.
Really?
Yes, it is. And parang wala pang nakakagawa nito or baka
Talaga?
wala lang ako napapan. Pero I'm pretty sure na tayo yung unang nag-innovate nito. And what do you think kaya can our audience expect from this podcast and or this vlog?
Well, for me, no, what we really want to showcase, to share to our viewers or to for this Arquesa TV, this first ever podcast, will be what we do. You know, who we are and what we do
Yes,
as
yes.
Rotarians. It is also to help promote or to share more knowledge about how it is and what it is to be a Rotarian.
Yeah, and of course, in Arquesa, we welcome all classifications, no? Whether you're an ordinary employee or you're blessed, for as long as you have commitment and you have dedication in sharing your blessings, you're welcome in this Rotary Club.
And your time.
Yes, of
And
course.
your time. In short,
Number
kung
one
willing
yung
kayong
time.
tumulong
Yeah.
at may oras kayo tumulong, pwede kayong sa amin.
Yes.
All ages, walang age limit. Like
Yes.
ako, millennial, with my
Baby boomer.
baby boomer, very, very young.
So you're all welcome.
Yan.
Yeah.
So,
And enjoy Rotary.
yes.
Yeah.
And actually, parang it's more of the, we really need people to help us para mas madami yung marireach natin at matutulungan
Yes,
natin
that's
in
correct.
the community.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, and with that, we would like to start off the night to introduce to you two of our special guests.
Yes.
To
help us make this pilot episode truly special, we've invited governors of Rotary District 3800. Please welcome immediate past District Governor Ronald Pope Solis of the Hope Creating Year of Rotary.
Good evening, Governor.
Hi, Nina. Good evening. Good evening to all our viewers.
But wait, there's more. With us tonight also is our current District Governor Roberto Bobby Zamora of the Magic Year of Rotary. Good evening, Gov. Bobby.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
So, Gov Pope, looking back at the Hope Creating Year of Rotary, what would you say would be your most memorable event that happened during the Hope Creating Year?
Charter President Dennis, pwede ba akong mag-cite ng several memorable events?
Sure, sure.
Because I think there are a lot of good memories that happened during the Hope Creating Year. Well, first and foremost, we've seen really tremendous growth in our membership. In the beginning, we were only 106 clubs, and by the end of my term, we're now at 109 clubs. We've created 3 new clubs, and that yes, that's true, and that we've retained more members than in the past. No? Yung the last figures I saw, we had a retention rate of about 14.4%, the highest in zone 10 among all the attendees. And of course, no, the other memorable events that happened during the year, no, are what we enjoyed most. No? Yung ating what happened during the discon, no? Well, everybody really was looking forward to and was excited about not just the Governor's Dance Festival, but also the talent night. No? Every year yan, talagang everybody are on their toes and really, makikita mo yung competitive spirit, no, of all the Rotarians in our district. And of course, no, when we started the year, the Hope Creating Year, remember that we had our district assembly in Baguio City. No? That's one of the most moving and memorable event for me. No? Where we were welcomed by the district. Meron pang mga igorot dances na nangyari. And then also the hangover, no? Where in EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. And all of this, of course, no? We were able to make all this happen because of spouse TWB.
Yes.
Yes.
Because it was all her idea. So I think these are really some of the things that I am proud of. These are really happy moments, memorable events during my year.
Nice, nice. Actually, going back to that, creating new clubs, Arquesa, no, being one of them, or actually the youngest. Although me personally, I think that a lot of the memorable uh, events during the Hope Creating Year, we were kind of late on. However, we were able to experience a lot of it towards the end, no, of the Hope Creating Year. And indeed, they were very memorable, and they were very insightful of all of good things, no, about fellowship, about membership, about the club. So,
It's a good thing that you brought this up. No? Kasi isang bagay na nakalimutan ko yan. Of course, growing membership, no, and retaining membership is really one of the hallmarks of the year. No? But of course, no, having created 3 new clubs, which includes, no, the newest one, the Rotary Club of Upper East Side and Antipolo,
Wow.
was to me, no, really a happy and memorable event. For one obvious reason, because you are all my neighbors in Cottbus. This is now a club, a new club in my own community. No?
the concept of having a Rotary Club with us, with neighbors, no, brings out a new something new, no, on how normally the Rotary clubs are created.
Yes.
There's already familiarity because we know each other, so it becomes a little bit easier. And hopefully, the retention, or even the expansion, no, of the clubs by being able to attract new members will be much easier. And we have one common goal of trying to make our communities better within the surrounding.
Having said that, Charter President Dennis, I'd like to ask Gob, what is the difference between handling the district and handling the charter club?
Siguro, no, we're talking about the function of whoever is heading, no, or leading the club or the district. No?
Yes,
Of
Gob.
course, as a charter president, no, you will be the leader of the club.
Yes, yes.
And you set the directions for the club. Now, the role of a district governor, no, is i-magnify mo. Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi I was the leader, I was the father of the entire district 3800. So, it is really my responsibility to make sure, no, that the clubs, no, the 109 clubs in the district are effective and impactful clubs. So, you multiply, no, all the multifarious responsibilities and duties of a leader, from that of a leader of a club to the governor of the district.
having a significant record of being one of the best governor, District 3800, how can you advise our club as a new club, charter club?
Aside from the district personalities, no, the others are all newbies. All the others are novices, no, in the world of Rotary. So my advice to you, no, is that you would really have to visit my Rotary. You must get an account, no, in my Rotary because there's really a lot of things that you would learn. No? And that be active in all the activities, projects that your club will pursue. No?
Maswerte tayo, CP Dennis, because we have a good advisor and siyempre, and the person of our governor.
Yeah, actually, your question of how do you balance your duties as a district governor for the district and for the club? Now that I am actually experiencing it, being a
Yes,
charter
yeah.
president, it's not easy. No, I mean, doing a lot of other things aside from Rotary, it really becomes very difficult how to manage your time. And I'm sure that balancing your work, family, recreational activities, and Rotary entails a lot of wisdom on how to handle it. So, Gov, how were you able to balance that out?
Being a governor of Rotary would require a lot of self-discipline. No? Because you must have that work-life balance.
Yes.
Di ba? So,
Yeah.
109 clubs siya. So practically, no, one-third of your year is already devoted to undertake that official governor's visit. It really requires a lot of self-discipline. But I'm used to it, no? Because as you all know, no, I'm a lawyer by profession. I used to be a litigation lawyer. No? I'm used to hard work. That's one, no? Pero you really also have to spend time for family. And ito right from the very start. No? This is what I told my district secretary. No Rotary activity on Sundays because Sunday is family.
How were you able to increase participation in activities and encourage the district to join and be more active with this kind of activities that we have?
Really, it's very difficult to try to get people, no, to be interested and to participate, the Rotarians in the district. One important formula that we have employed, no, is that I would personally go out in a video clip. I would urge everyone, no, to attend. And whenever I do that, you could see biglang nag-spike
Yes.
Yes,
Actually,
yes.
yung,
Tama yun.
yung registration.
Personally invited.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
There has to be a personal touch.
Kaya pagka member ka ng chat group sa Viber, you're obliged to read the message every morning and late at night. So kailangan, nakakahiya naman pag ang governor mo, puro message tapos wala ka nakukuha, di ba? So, leader by example. What valuable tips are you eager to share with your successor?
I send you all my best wishes for a very successful year. I always say this naman. You've heard me say this. And I'm confident that you will pursue this. We have to keep that. District 3800 is one of the best districts in Zone 10. And to me, to my mind, no, you just have to revolve around those three things. Strength, continuity, and unity.
Correct.
We will never go.
We're also thankful
Yes.
for being our governor, our neighbor and advisor. So maraming salamat, Go.
Thank you. From Arquesa family,
Yes.
we will always be here to support. We'll try to continue a legacy that has been created by,
Yes.
and I'm sure my irresistible governor will also do the same for District
The magical
3800.
year.
Yes.
You're all most welcome, and it's really my pleasure to do that.
Now that we're shifting into the magic of Rotary here, we're actually here at the Manila Hotel for the handover ceremony between the co-creating governor, Hope Solid, and of course, our incoming governor, Governor Bobby Zamora. And we would actually like to congratulate you. Thank you for sharing your time with us, as we know you're very busy today with the handover preparations. How are you feeling po, Gov Bobby?
Excited and tired.
Nakatulog
Uh,
naman po kayo kagabi.
Yeah, konti.
Kinakabahan ka sa speech ngayon.
Oo.
So how is your first week as a governor
Ah.
of the Magic of Rotary Year? Kasi nag-start ka na nung July 1. But before that, may ginawa ka na ring big project for the district, no?
Oo. Actually, even before July 1, I've been attending mostly Rotary events.
Yeah.
Committee meetings, core group meetings, and especially during last or third week to last week of June. No, every night na yun. Every night na yung mga functions natin, awards night, anniversaries, ganyan. There are many changes that had happened for the past weeks. One, schedules. Napaka-hectic na. So every day, I have scheduled club visits. So normally, it will start around 4. So I still have to leave around 2 o'clock. And then go directly to club inductions. Ako, ang request ko rin sa district, huwag naman maglagay ng Sundays. So, talaga,
Yeah.
family day yun. At saka labada day.
Bagay. Naglalaba ka, Gov Bobby.
Saturday, nagkukulakot at nagkukulakot. Babagawin ko yun ng following
The
day.
following day.
Fact yun, hindi namin alam yun.
And then another is yung quality time with the family.
Yeah.
Kaya medyo nababawasan kasi every night, dinner time, sabay sila kumakain. Eh ngayon, wala na. By afternoon, wala na ako sa bahay. Yeah. And then especially in lifestyle.
Correct.
Kasi every day, every night, feast yan. Eh. Kain ka ng kain. Kaya, ito mo naman, may baby ba? Oo, eh. Talagang ano. Pero yung the alcohol, medyo binabawas-bawas. Pinipilit kong bawas.
Looking forward, is there any expectations that you want to see at the end of your term, no, as a district governor for the Magic of Rotary Year?
Well, of course, like other past governors, we look forward in a very successful year of service. And I look forward to my presidency, irresistible presidency, to finish their term successfully and hopefully with flying colors. Gusto ko rin sana mag-enjoy ang lahat ng mga presidents ko. Kasi pag walang enjoyment sa Rotary, parang hirap.
Correct.
So, yan. So, hopefully, lahat tayo graduate ng masaya at with flying colors at the end of our term.
So, Gob, what are your plans in the pipeline for the year? And how will you implement these plans for your presidents and for the whole district of 3800?
Yeah. With regards to service projects,
Yeah.
as much as possible, we are avoiding or lessening the service district-sponsored projects. Kasi gusto namin ang mga clubs ang mag-implement ng mga projects nila. The district is here to complement and support, not to compete with the clubs. We have the standard goals and objectives and programs in the four strategic priorities. But para sa mga governors, tulad namin, ang personal talagang the usual goals niya ay siguro pwedeng 3 yan. Yung membership, TRF, at saka yung service project.
Yun ang napaka-importante,
Yun
no?
ang usual na
Yes.
naka-bandera yan, not only in our district, lalo na sa buong,
International.
sa Philippines, sa CENTI. So with regards to membership, well, ang target natin for this year is 5 new net
Yes.
5 new members, tapos with 90% retention rate. And then hopefully, mahirap man, pero yung mandate sa amin ni Stephanie Yorchik, yung presidente natin ngayon, is yung to form 5 new clubs. Preferably using the new models, club models. Yan, in terms of membership. PRF, ang target natin ngayong taon, total annual giving is $770,000. So medyo challenging yun. And I'm also encouraging all clubs to be area and 100% foundation giving. And since our Polio Plus coordinator for the entire Philippines is no other than past District Governor Mariluco, so I will be allotting 20% of my DDF to that polio as contribution. And then sa service projects, I'm encouraging all clubs to implement one service project in each of the 7 areas of focus,
Focus, yes.
but with one high impact project in any of the 7.
Last year, during the time of Governor Pope, I was invited to go up to the stage to make a pledge. Are you having this tonight also?
Yung pledging session na yan, nagsimula yan, abutan pa yan kay Governor Nelson Aspirin yan.
Yeah.
Ano yan? Isang strategy yan na ang tawag dyan snowballing. Oo. As early as before the beginning of the year, ano na yan? Yung annual giving share, nag-iikot na yan. Na magre-recruit na yan of the pledging. And then during the handover, marami kami dating na napapansin na may mga comments dyan. Bakit sinasama yan? Hindi naman TRF banquet yan.
Okay.
Pero we find it very effective.
Yes.
Yung pledging session.
Yes.
In one single day, makaka-generate ka ng mga almost mga $100 to $150 to $200,000.
Yes. In fact, I'm one of the donor during that time. So
Eh, ngayong taon.
well, yeah. In support to our charter president, God will, siguro magkakaroon tayo ng another
You'll go up the stage second time.
again.
Sabayan daw niya ako.
Kasi, in support to my charter president.
Okay. Go, Bobby, about the 12-in-1 project that happened last June 30, no? What were the pivotal projects that we included in the event last June 30?
Actually, that's a 14-in-1 project. Itong project na to was initiated and organized by the Service Project Group headed by Service Project Chair Noel Cuico, former DS Noel Cuico. So they were through the help of 2 lead clubs, RC Tanay and RC Paras.
Yeah.
They were actually the ones who looked for the place. No? Kita niyo naman, 45 minutes rough road.
Ang galing nga eh. No? Parang,
Adventure talaga. Lumusong pa kami dun sa river. No?
Parang-
Hanggang dito yung tubig.
nakaka-excite, no? Parang merong hidden gems doon sa loob, no? And true enough, no? Pagdating doon sa loob, parang, di ba? Sayang lang, hindi ako nakaabot doon sa river, eh. No? Gusto ko sana mag-uwi ng mga river sand, eh.
So, actually, they were the ones who who conducted the yung needs assessments. They were the ones who coordinated with the beneficiaries. Talagang
Yeah.
sila mismo. So, alam nila kung ano yung more or less kailangan. So, yun na nga. So, pinagsabay-sabay na lang nila sa isang bagsakan project. So, of course, 14-in-1 yun, pero if ako, no? Ako more or less ang gusto ko doon yung first yung tubig, yung deep well kasi mahirap pala ang tubig.
Yes.
Kaya meron silang waiver.
Mm-mm.
Mahirap ang tubig. So tawag nila doon kasi yung installation ng yung deep well. Okay. Another is yung biik. Yung biik.
Distribution ng mga biik. Yeah.
Oo. livelihood yun.
Yes.
So, ang plano doon, pag nanganak yun, hati-hati sila. So, nag-donate siya ata ng 7 or 9 biik. Oo. And then yung solar power, solar panels, no? Ilan yun? Ano yata yun? 5 or 6, no?
Lighting.
Lightings. Oo. Kasi madilim pala doon sa lugar. So, and of course, the usual may medical dental, no? At saka yun sa mga eyeglasses.
Go, I would like to share. Actually, when we were there last week,
Kita
there
mo
was
kayo. Always sa pawis ko.
init. Pero
Init, ha?
alam mo, Gov, meron dun, may na-meet kaming 280-year-old na beneficiaries doon. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa sila. Kasi
Yes.
first time daw yun na nakakita. Nababasa na nila yung mga bagay because of the glasses. Kasi wala daw masyadong nagpupunta doon to give the glasses. So, sobrang grateful nila. Even hanggang lumabas sila, sobrang tumatawa sila, nagsasmile sila, nagte-thank you sila. So, yun, as in malaki yung impact na hindi natin nare-realize na malaki pala yung mga impact na ginagawa natin. And it makes them really happy.
Ang isang magandang nakita ko doon, Gob, is the rotary wheel na nilagay natin, ano? So, actually, yung area na yan, one of the most visited by the local tourists, especially mga motorcycle rider, yung mga bikers. Nakakarating yan dyan sa Rough Road, yes. So, kumbaga, at least nakikita nila yung ating rotary wheel na naaabot pala ng rotary. Yes, yes. May rotary pala sa gubat. So, yun yun. Another question, Gob, no? How did you prepare yourself to assume the role as the new district governor? Did it take years, months, or just days?
Honestly speaking, I don't see myself becoming a governor someday. Even though na yung daddy ko is a past district governor, si Teddy Zamora. Kasi nakita ko sa kanya, hirap, saka ang gastos. Yung nung time na yon. So what I did is yung I just enjoyed being a Rotarian. So after
Yeah.
serving as a president of my club, 1998-99, ayun na, na-involve na ako sa district. I started serving Rotary beyond the club level. So, naging AG, naging SAG, naging lieutenant governor, and then either chair or vice chair or member ng mga committees.
Mm.
No. After nun, taon-taon na lang, tumatakbo daw ako. Sabi ko, buti ka pa alam, tumatakbo ka. Tumatakbo ka lang. One day, kinausap ko na rin si Raquel. And then, kinausap ko na rin yung mother ko, no? Together with some advice from mga close friends ko. Sabi nga ng mami ko sige anak, buhay pa ako, nandito pa ako. Gusto ko na may kumakita maging governor.
Oo nga, nakita ko yung mami mo.
Mo yan. Actually, last minute na rin ako tumakbo nun. Kaya, so again, yun na nga, naging nanalo na sa DNC. Yung mga trainings, na yan. Part of my trainings were during those times na active ako sa district. Yun. Plus, of course, yung mga leadership na required by RI.
Yeah.
What is your dream for the magic of Rotary?
I served as president during the 1998-99, no? Ayan, our theme was follow your Rotary dream. Tama-tama, 26 years later, the governor ako, the magic of Rotary na naman. So I'm still looking, I'm still searching for this Rotary dream until now. 26 years. Sana nga yung for our district to be united and for a bigger, better, and bolder district. Bigger in terms of numbers, better in terms of mga service projects,
Yes.
and bolder in terms of mga innovative approaches na tayo. Mag-ano na tayo, mag-level up.
Level up, yes.
And at the end of the
Agree.
day, gusto ko mag-enjoy tayo.
Actually, with regards to yung sa bringing back dun sa service projects, no, yung plan of really allowing the clubs now to be the instigators or the implementers of their projects, then the district will just be behind it. think it's a big challenge, but it does a lot of promoting the leadership skills, no, of
Yeah.
the presidents. And it all comes in the succession. I mean, from a very good finishing by District Governor Pope, and then the continuity and the
Oo.
additional, no, that our irresistible governor will
Yes.
do for the magic year. I'm pretty sure District 3800 is in a good
Oo.
path.
Oo, totoo yun. Yung continuity is very important. Kaya
Mm-mm.
naswerte kaming tatlo. Ni Gov Pope, ako, tsaka ni DGM Sheila.
Yes.
Okay yung ano namin. So, hopefully, yung masusunod sa amin, ganun din.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sarap ng
correct.
feeling at saka
Mm-mm.
mayroong support sa isa't isa.
And we're all lucky to have you as our leaders.
Yes.
Thank you.
Siyempre, magandang inspirasyon yan para sa ating mga nag-uumpisa, ano? Especially sa club natin, no? Para ma-inspire din yung ating mga new members para to stay in the Rotary. Siyempre, yung number one problem natin, yung retention. So if the members are not enjoying the club or the camaraderie of our co-members, hindi sila magtatagal talaga.
That's why we have public image chairs like the Age of
Oo,
Kanina. Para it's dynamic.
Yes.
Active.
Bago.
Oo.
May podcast natin.
Yeah. Kasi yung time patanda, ano na tayo eh. Paano na tayo? Hinahanap natin yung golf na lang na mag-golf. That's why I'm lucky to be a president for 2 Rotary years. No?
Mhm.
And I'm very thankful for that because a lot to learn. And with the 2 strong governors, I'm sure that it will help us jumpstart the club.
So again, Gob, maraming salamat for your time. I know
Congratulations.
sobrang busy ka in preparation for tonight's handover.
Kapag
Hairstyle.
gani ba natin, pag pupulong braso yun natin yung dalawang. Just kidding
Sa-
aside, but yes, congratulations, Gov Pope, for a well finished year. And
Yes.
Thank you.
our wishful, Gov, we will support you.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you
101%.
very much.
Welcome to the Past Talk segment. This is a question to the both governors, outgoing and incoming Governor Bobby. So, pareho kayong sasagot, ano? Kailangan mabilis ang ating sagot, ano? So, first question. Night owl or early bird?
Early bird. Night owl.
Okay. Sweet food or salty food?
Ako, salty foods. Ang sweet, kasi gusto kong sweet, si Tita Biggie lang.
Okay. Ikaw, go.
Ako, salty food.
Salty food. Bakit po?
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang salty.
Okay, next question. Superman or Batman?
Bakala na si Batman.
Si Batman. Superman. Ikaw.
Superman.
Superman. Summer or winter?
Winter.
Summer. Bakit po summer?
Siyempre, para nakakapag
Nakakapag-tupi siya.
Ikaw, go. Bakit winter?
Mas gusto ko yung malamig eh.
Okay. Pancake or waffle?
Pancake.
Pancake. Pancake? Oh,
Ano may waffle?
yun yung may mga palamang hotdog. Coffee or tea?
Scotch?
Siyempre. Ikaw. Food. Ikaw, go.
Coffee.
Beach or mountain?
Kaluwa?
Ano?
Beach or mountain?
Beach. Kasi, alam mo, yung laging nahanap ng Tita Biggie. Nihika kasi.
Kala ko, Gob, gusto mo makita na naka two-piece. Ikaw, go, Bobby. Ikaw, Bobby. So, happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Happiness. Okay. Dalawang both answers, no? Lights on, lights off.
Lights on, para kita ko lahat.
Ikaw, go.
Lights off.
Wow.
Mahihayin.
Galing.
Mahihayin ako.
Ako yata, ano ba gusto ko? Lights on, lights off. Pareho yata. Okay. So, maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Go, Pope and go, Bobby.
Maraming salamat din Tito Boy.
So may we request some words of wisdom from our 2 governors and reach out to the people you would like to thank. Yeah.
With
Start
Love
with
Hope.
Talagang gusto kong pasalamatan, no, are my hope-creating presidents. No? This really made that they really made this hope-creating year a very wonderful and meaningful year for me and Tita Vicky. No? I've always said this to them. No? We are now one family.
Thank you. So, Bob, words of wisdom for the incoming
Yeah. Oh.
irresistible.
Well, first of all, I would like to congratulate and thank you for inviting us to the Rotary Club of Upper East Side Antipolo. Ang ganda nito, at least meron ganito. Sana magkaroon pa ng mga future episodes at saka magkaroon yung ibang clubs ng katulad na ganito for greater reach, no? Lalo na sa So yun lang. At the same time, I'd like to give my yung best wishes and good luck to my irresistible team, my irresistible presidents and district officers. Na we just enjoy our year. Let us continue creating hope by continuing the magic of Rotary, creating the magic of Rotary. So, I think.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yob.
A year from now, what is the message you would like to tell yourself? Kasi, kapatid na yun ng third mo. What would you like to tell yourself by that time?
Well, ang sinasabi ko sa mga presidents ko, no, nung nagpa-fellowship kami, gusto ko ang kanta natin sa Biscon yung ano yun, yung sa salamat, tayo'y nagkasama.
Samang muli.
Yun. Gusto ko, in other words, yung bonding at saka gusto ko papasalamatan sila for a very successful, saka sana mag-enjoy kami for this year. So, yun ang magiging message. Basically, pasalamat sa kanila.
I'm sure we will. I'm sure we will.
Galing.
Very exciting times.
So,
Yeah, exciting year. So, Pipi Rolly?
siguro, yun ang pinakamagandang message na nakuha natin today, no? Yung pasasalamat for all the blessings that we receive, no? So, very inspiring itong ating pagtatapos, no? And I hope makasama namin kayong muli sa mga susunod na episode ng aming nag-enjoy si Go sa Fast Talk. So, next
TV.
No choice naman ako.
next time di namin kami bibigyan ng kopya.
Gagawin na natin host
Yes.
si Gold Pope.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ah.
Gawin natin din lang host.
Pwede ko bang i-disappoint si Tita Vicky?
Yeah. So maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagpapa-unlock ng inyong mga napaka-precious time para dito sa first episode. Siyempre, ito yung history ng Arcuesa. And we're glad you're part of this episode. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Siguro,
Okay.
kailangan nating kamayan ng ating mga governor. Thank you, Gov. Thank you.
That you play. Come on,